Finally, it's game day, and nothing makes home team fans cheer like fried chicken wings, buffalo style, and we can show you how to make them. Wings. Chicken wings come in 3 parts. Sure, you can buy them bagged and pre-cut, but if you're hosting a big party, simply grab a sharp knife and then chop away as many as you like before the big game. Next, pour 6 cups of vegetable oil into a skillet, or enough oil to cover the wings entirely, and then fry up to 2 pounds of wings. That should make about 20 or so. Don't put in too many at one time. Cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, then remove when crispy and golden brown. For a real buffalo sauce, you'll need to melt 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and then add 1 teaspoon of ground red cayenne or crushed red pepper. Then add 1 cup of hot pepper sauce. Combine everything well and let simmer over a medium heat. Add 1/2 tablespoon of cider vinegar for some real pop. And add 1/2 teaspoon of ground cayenne or crushed red pepper. For less heat, you can skip this step. That, my friend, is a killer sauce. Now you're ready. Place your wings in a pot, pour on your mouth-watering buffalo sauce, and then cover. And then shake, shake, shake away. That's it. It's party time. Simply add some carrots, blue cheese, ranch dressing, your favorite beverage, and you have fried wings buffalo style. The ultimate game day treat. Crispy, crunchy, tangy, and tasty. Forget boring old chips and dip. Go big. Play to win. No matter the final score, remember, wings are winners.